Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: Yellow Thunder Aura at 50% or higher, and Ninja Time mode toggled on. First, equip the aura and bind its hotkey so you can trigger it instantly. Next, set a 30-second timer to practice precise windows and move to an open area with clear sightlines. You need space to weave and dodge. Once ready, breathe, commit, and press the hotkey to enter the initial Ninja Time frame. This creates the temporal slow essential for the next steps. Once you've entered Ninja Time, execute the mid-phase combo without hesitation. You dash first to close gap, then follow with 2 light strikes within a 1.2-second window to maximize stagger. Practice the rhythm until it feels natural. Make sure you use directional input to sustain momentum, favoring 45-degree arcs to hit multiple targets. Also keep half a charge reserved in the aura for a quick escape. If you maintain tempo, the aura multiplies damage and control simultaneously. To finish, land a heavy finisher in the final half-second of Ninja Time so the aura amplifies impact. Time your heavy input precisely. Delay and the multiplier drops. If the aura falters or fails to trigger, step out of combat range briefly, re-enter Ninja Time to reset state. Make sure to record each attempt and tweak your timing by 10% increments until the sequence is reliable. That iterative adjustment is why you'll improve rapidly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.